What's up, everybody? Welcome to a new candy review for Geo is Snacking, and today I got the new limited edition Fruity Cereal Kit Kat. Yep. And if you're a fan of reviews of new and/or limited edition candy, soda, chips, whatever, go ahead, hit the subscribe button. I drop a new video every Tuesday and every Friday. And be sure to stick around to the end because I give scores to these snacks. So what will I score this Fruity Cereal Kit Kat? I don't know. You have to wait to the end because right now I don't even know. So yeah. Moving on to this Fruity Cereal Kit Kat. Actually, this was one that my mom had actually gotten me. It was just one day I come home from work and then she's like, "Look what I found, Fruity Cereal Kit Kats." So me, knowing because I love Froot Loops, I love Fruity Cereal, and so I was like, let me just go ahead, take them, and I'll make this video. So that's what I'm doing right now. And the funny thing about it is like the besides this right here, it was the Froot Loops Pop Tarts was the last fruity cereal type product I reviewed, and that was really good. I think if there's another fruity cereal type thing you should get, it should be those Pop Tarts. But yeah, so going on to this, if you look at the package right here, you got like a purple, it's more like magenta colorish package. And the Kit Kats on it itself, they're sort of pinkish looking. You got the limited edition sticker, or not sticker, the label. And then you got a bowl of Fruity Pebbles, but they probably don't want to license the Fruity Pebbles names. That's why they just say Fruity Cereal. And of course, 220 calories per package. So, Nutritional Facts, of course. You got your fats, you got your carbs. The camera's not really focusing, but it's 27 grams of carbs, 12 grams of fat, and then you got 7 grams of saturated fat and 20 grams of sugar. And is there anything else in here? 2 grams of protein and 35 milligrams of sodium. So yeah, let's go ahead. That's all there is. Let's go ahead and open this up. Open it. Oh, it broke in half already. So, this is what it looks like. Pinkish looking. Oh, if you look on the front, they got the little specks right here. You would think because of the specks, it would be more like Fruity Pebbles. And of course, that's what it could also taste like. It could either taste like Froot Loops or Fruity Pebbles. You don't know. And the smell, it smells more like Fruity Pebbles, to be honest. The smell is good. It smells like near the end when you have it smells like when you first pour the Fruity Pebbles in the bowl, but it could also smell like near the end when you're getting close and it's just the cereal tasting milk left. But yeah, let's go ahead. I broke it off. Let's go ahead and try this out. Okay, you got the brownish look inside. Man, that tastes more like Fruity Pebbles than Froot Loops. And I ain't gonna lie, it's pretty good. And let me go again. Yeah, definitely Fruity Pebbles. From the first bite, and then you keep chewing on it, and it keeps tasting like that Fruity Pebbles all the way through. That's what I like about it. You get the nice taste of the Fruity Pebbles. You get the nice taste as if it was like you're eating it with the milk, like an actual bowl of cereal. And the flavor is consistent. And no, of course, you don't get no chocolate flavor out of it. It's just like that cereal with milk flavor throughout the whole thing. And yeah, that's really all that there is to it. Of course, a Kit Kat is a Kit Kat. there's not much else to it besides the main flavor that you're trying to get. And I think they really nailed it down here. I'm gonna eat another one. It's good. And it's like, man, like that flavor is all the way through. Like the moment you bite out of it, you think it would be like it's not really there, but then it like ramps up real high, and then it's just like fully consistent with the fruity cereal flavor. So yeah, not Froot Loops, but Fruity Pebbles, really good. My recommendation: go ahead, buy it, and especially if you like Fruity Pebbles. You're definitely gonna like this fruity cereal Kit Kat. Of course, I didn't ask my mom the price. I'm guessing it'd be like the price of any other Kit Kats that's this size, probably like $1. I guess. Yeah, they're not expensive. But yeah, my scoring for this fruity cereal Kit Kat is gonna be, ooh, hold on real quick. Ooh, 9.5. Is that good? I'm not gonna lie, like I'm almost done with this package. Like I'm about to, like I got one more little bar in here left besides this one right here. Man, like it's really good. And it sucks that it's gonna be limited because like I can find myself buying a whole bunch more of these, and I could demolish them really, honestly, quickly, with the quickness. Fast. That's how fast I would destroy these fruity cereal Kit Kats. But yeah, 9.5. Highly recommend. Buy them. You see how fast I was eating mine. I'm probably gonna get some more. But yeah, that's my review of the fruity cereal Kit Kat. What do you think? If you like this video, go and give it a like and be sure to subscribe. I drop a new video every Tuesday and every Friday. So until next time, my name is Jeffrey with Geo with Snacking, and I am out.